Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Apple 2024 MacBook Air 13-inch with the new M3 chip. It's lightweight, incredibly portable, and packed with performance that's geared for both work and play. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a look. The MacBook Air is all about portability, and with the 2024 redesign, it keeps things sleek. It's just under half an inch thick and weighs in at around 2.7 pounds, perfect for anyone on the move, whether you're heading to class, the office, or a coffee shop. And while it's light, don't mistake that for flimsy. The build is solid, crafted from recycled aluminum, giving it a premium feel without weighing you down. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The M3 chip powers this thing, featuring an 8-core CPU and an 8-core GPU. For everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and video calls, this chip makes multitasking effortless. Whether you're hopping between 10 tabs or running a Zoom meeting while editing a Word document, the M3 handles it with ease. But it's not just about the basics. This machine can take on more demanding work too. Photo editing in apps like Adobe Lightroom is smooth, and if you're into video editing, you'll find 1080p footage rendering quickly. While it's not a dedicated gaming machine, the M3 GPU handles casual games well, and can even handle some lighter 3D titles if you're interested. One of the standout features here is the 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display. This screen looks incredible. It supports 1 billion colors and gets plenty bright, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're watching your favorite show or working on design projects, you'll notice the crisp details and vivid colors. The display is sharp and offers great contrast, so whether you're watching Netflix or editing photos, it delivers. It's also great for those who need color accuracy, making it a solid choice for creators. But the high resolution and deep colors also make media consumption just a joy. The MacBook Air's keyboard is another area where Apple gets it right. The keys have a good amount of travel, and typing feels comfortable over long periods. You won't feel fatigued after a solid writing session or a day of emails. The trackpad, as always with Apple, is large and responsive. It's great for gestures, and palm rejection works well. Just a smooth experience all around. Add in the Touch ID sensor, and it's a seamless, secure experience. Battery life is impressive, with up to 18 hours on a single charge. Whether you're working on office tasks, watching videos, or just browsing the web, you'll find it lasts all day without needing a charge. It's perfect for those who need a laptop that can get through a full workday without scrambling for a power outlet. And when you do need to charge, the MagSafe connector is back, making it easier to plug in without worrying about damaging the port. When it comes to connectivity, the MacBook Air has you covered. There are 2 Thunderbolt ports, a headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. This gives you fast data transfer speeds and solid support for accessories and external displays. Plus, you can connect 2 monitors while the MacBook is closed. The MagSafe charger is also a nice touch, making it easy to connect and disconnect. The MacBook Air may not have the ports of a more business-oriented laptop, but it still offers good flexibility for everyday users. Thermals are something that's often a concern with ultra-thin laptops, but the M3 chip is highly efficient. Even under load, the MacBook Air stays cool to the touch. There's no fan noise to worry about, and the performance remains steady even during longer tasks. So if you're working in a quiet environment or using this on your lap, it's comfortable and unobtrusive. But as always, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The MacBook Air is a great choice for students, office workers, and creators who need solid performance in a portable package. However, if you need a machine with lots of ports, more powerful graphics, or one that can handle extensive gaming, you might want to look elsewhere. This is a laptop designed for those who want performance, portability, and a great display. But it's not a powerhouse when it comes to gaming or high-end creative work. In terms of value for money, the MacBook Air sits at a premium price point, but the performance, portability, and display quality make it a solid investment for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. Compared to competitors in this range, such as the Dell XPS 13 or Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, the MacBook Air offers better battery life and a more seamless experience with Apple's ecosystem. Overall, the MacBook Air 13-inch with the M3 chip delivers solid performance for daily tasks and creative work in an incredibly portable package. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator on the go, it offers a balanced mix of features that make it a great choice. If you're looking for a laptop that's light, powerful, and perfect for most everyday uses, this is one you should seriously consider. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking of picking up the MacBook Air, check the link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. Feel free to drop any questions you might have or share your experience with this laptop if you already own it. Catch you in the next one.